Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making a copycat recipe of the DoubleTree Chocolate Chip Cookies. I don't know if you've ever had one, but they're really good, and I'm super curious as to whether this recipe is going to taste as good as they really do. So I've got 2 sticks of butter in here, and they have one very odd ingredient in this recipe, and it is just 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. So that's in there with my butter. It's such a small amount, it kind of surprises me that it's even in there, but it is. So I'm going to cream this butter for 2 minutes. Okay, so I've got 2 sticks of butter in there along with 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. And now I'm going to add my sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of white sugar. I'm going to let this go for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to put the eggs in. And the vanilla, 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so we have creamed our butter and sugar. Now we're going to add our flour, and I'm actually going to add it just a little bit at a time. Put 1 cup in, and then I'm going to put the baking soda in at the same time. And I'm going to let that go for a little bit, and then I'm going to add the rest of the flour. So the rest of the flour is another 1.25 cups. It says not to overmix it, so I'm not going to let it go for too long. Now I'm going to take the beaters out and do the rest by hand. I'm going to put the oats and the chocolate chips in and then stir those by hand because that makes the batter pretty thick. Okay, so now I'm going to put my oats in, and that's just 1/2 cup. And my chocolate chips, which is 2 3/4 cup. That's a lot of chocolate chips. I almost forgot. You're supposed to have 1 3/4 cups walnuts. I don't have walnuts, I have pecans. Okay, these are going to go in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then we'll check them out. Okay, our cookies have cooled for a few minutes, and I just ate one, and they are super delicious. I don't know if I would go so far as to call it an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. It does have, you know, that little bit of oats in it, but it's, you know, it's not very oaty, but I like oats a lot, so I think it's really good. I will put the recipe in the description. I realized I forgot one thing, and it was a pinch of cinnamon, which I don't think we're missing anything without it. It's really good the way that it is. So thanks for checking out my video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.